y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a what's in my bag for my vintage Gucci Diana. I also want to provide some updates for you guys, but I just got back from working at Starbucks and I figured this would be the perfect time to show y'all how I actually use my bag and what I used inside of it. So let's go ahead and flip her open so y'all can see the shot from above, and we'll take everything out. So the MacBook 13-inch Pro does not fit perfectly, which is fine. I knew that going into this purchase. I don't mind it sticking up a bit. I was still able to like hold it like a briefcase to carry it around, and if I'm going to be using this bag to transport my MacBook, it'll only be like really when I go work either at the office or at Starbucks, and I just know that going into it, I probably won't go and use this bag, but I really wanted to use this bag today. And again, I'm okay with it sticking out for that purpose. So we have the 13-inch MacBook Pro and how that fits in. But yeah, overall, I've really been loving this bag and I think it's absolutely incredible. I love how much it fits and how it fits everything that I keep in here. Even the MacBook Pro, because I don't mind it again sticking out. I did get, let me pull these items out and then kind of like talk about like what it's been like using this bag, because I really want to do this video to provide an update. So I did have a few people kind of ask me like my thoughts on people thinking that this is a dupe because this is the vintage piece, so it doesn't have that Gucci logo. I honestly don't care. I feel like for people who know this bag, right, like it really is like a, if you know, you know. So people who think it's a dupe probably just don't know this is the original Diana, and you know, that's what makes it vintage and that's why I love it. But I personally don't care. I bought this because I love it and I think it's a great bag and it has that quality. I like designer bags because of their quality, and that's why you'll notice that if I notice that the quality isn't up to par, I'll typically return it or sell it. So just a little thought on that. So everything I just pulled out is from this left side pocket over here. Also, I don't think I gave y'all an update. So I've completely cleaned out the bag. It is dry and it fits so much. So as y'all see, this is everything that was on the left side. And so I have my Chanel card holder, and this is packed. I have some cash in here and like every single credit card that I own because I needed to take it out and put it in my Brazil wallet. So it's a little stuffed, but we have this. I have my AirPods in my key pouch. I added this little Dior charm that came with a gift with purchase. If y'all have seen it on TikTok, I got this like right when it first came out, and it's supposed to be a phone charm, but it works perfectly on your AirPods. And whenever it's not in this pouch for any reason, it helps me and my husband see like whose is whose. So I always keep my AirPods in here for the most part. I have my 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton, and then I have my reading glasses from Chanel, and then my sunglasses also from Chanel, and I'm obsessed with these. These have been my most used glasses since I got them. I think they're like the perfect summer sunglasses, so I've been using these a lot. So that was everything on the left side, and there was still room for more, but again, I don't need to take that much stuff with me right when I'm going to go work. Like I took the sunglasses and sunglasses and keys to get there, AirPods for when I'm there, wallet because you need your wallet, and then glasses to read. So that was the left side. I had the MacBook on the right side, so it was just sticking up. But the other items that I have in here are my medium ring agenda and my pochette accessory. So the medium ring agenda I've just been using as a notebook, so I just brought this with because it fit pretty well, and used it for notes. And then on the pochette accessory, this is my little tech holder, and so I have my charger, and then I also keep like stationery and stuff in here. So I have also my mouse, and then I have 2 pens and a whiteout in case I need it. So this is like all the little like tech and, you know, stationery items, but also just random like miscellaneous items. Typically, I've been going to the gym, so I've separated it, but typically I will attach my key holder to my pochette accessory so that it's near the tech items, and then just like tuck it in. So it's like one less thing bouncing around my bag, and because it fits pretty well. But since I've been going to the gym, I've been like taking this off more, so I haven't reconnected it. But typically I do this, and so that way it's all together. And I'll just keep it here for now. But yeah, and then it looks like that. So that is everything in my Gucci Diana and what I take with me when I go work, at least when I work remotely. There's just a lot of times where I want to get out of the house, and so I like just being focused too on things. So whenever I go in Starbucks, whether I'm writing a paper for school or just working, I'm like really focused on what I'm doing. So typically I like block a morning to get things done, go to Starbucks and knock everything out on things I need to do. But yeah, that is everything that fits inside of here and what's in my bag, and then a little update on the Gucci Diana. So other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.